Hey everybody, it's Kyle. I want to walk you through real quick and kind of talk to you about what our marketing kits includes. So when you're on our website, the very last option that you can choose is a marketing kit. And within these marketing kit, there's so much stuff that's packed full of it. You get a custom property website, which is a special domain specifically to that property. You have marketing analytics, you have social media icons, you have just a bunch of stuff packed into it. Let's head over to the computer and show you what's included with these. So when you're in your dashboard, and if you did order one of these, you can head over and you can hit the address, then you're gonna come over to the left and you're gonna kind of get a couple things. You can change it to pending if it's not live, you can change it to live. If it's not live, there's a lot of options you can do. You can schedule an open house. One of the nice things is the analytical side of things. It's gonna show you where people are viewing it and then what piece of content is getting the most views. Just a really nice feature to have so you can kind of get an understanding of who's viewing it. And then it's gonna give you a really good idea of what social or what content that you ordered is getting the best engagement. So in the future, you know, man, those drone photos really are doing really good. So you can always order those in the future then, knowing that they're gonna get really good engagement. So that's kind of this stuff here, the analytical side of things. And if we go down a little bit farther, we're gonna go to marketing kit. And within these marketing kits, one of the biggest things that we obviously love are these custom property websites. So within these property websites, it's gonna kind of show you and lay out everything really, really well. And you can edit all of this stuff within your dashboard as well. And I'll show you how to do that in just 1 second. But it's gonna lay out everything really nice. You know, once you change it to just listed or sold, this will update. And it just shows everything perfectly. It tells you what schools are around. You can add descriptions, you can add how many bedrooms, you can change all of that stuff. And it's, like I said, it just lays out everything really, really well. And then you can also have a custom domain specifically for the website. So like I mentioned, you can kind of change and edit some of this stuff as you want. So on the left side, you can go to site design and you can actually change a lot of the stuff right here that you might want. So these are super customizable with anything that you might want to add. If we head back over to the marketing kit on the left, I want to just kind of show you one of my favorite features as well. Within this are these flyers, printable materials, and the social media flyer tiles. So these social media flyer tiles can be downloaded and they can be edited into really whatever you want them to be. And they're a perfect way to use on social media. And I think they're super helpful. And they've got just a bunch of ones just listed. This won't last long. New listing, open house, sold. Now you can get creative. So you can kind of be, you know, fun with this. They've got Facebook ones, they have Pinterest ones. And then the system will automatically put together like a slideshow version of the photos, and it will automatically put that on a YouTube link that you can copy and paste below. So it gives you a bunch of ideas if you're going to embed it onto MLS, if you want to see it on YouTube, if you want to download it. It gives you a bunch of options for you to do. But these are just a really great tool for you to use on social media. But overall, these marketing kits are packed full of just so much good stuff that you can use to really promote your property and really elevate it as much as we possibly can, and really putting it out there so as many views and many eyes we can get on it.